Whom does the word me refer to? The word me refers to the poet. What kind of life does the poet want to lead? The poet wants to lead a joyful life. What is mean by toll? Toll means tax. What is forward face? Forward face is a face with a smile. What is mean by unreluctant soul? Unreluctant means willing soul. Where does the family live? The family lives on Complaining Street. What does the word growl mean here? Growl means make a low sound. What does the poet expect everyone to learn? The poet expects everyone to learn to walk with a smile. What is the opinion about the folks you meet down the street? The folks we meet down the streets are always complaining about one another. What does the word gloom mean here? The word gloom means depressing. What does the word summer mean here? Summer means difficulties in women's life. What does she mean by spring will come again? It means good time of life will come again. What do the words ta and sa mean here? Ta and sa means tackle and deal with cruelty. What is the tone of the author? The tone of the author is angry. How should a woman be treated? Women should be treated with love and respect. Name of the seasons mentioned here: spring and summer. Who does he refer to? He refers to the cricket. Who does I refer to? I refer to the cricket. Who says these lines to whom? The ant says to the cricket. Who does we refers to? First stanza. We refers to the machines. Who are the speakers and the listeners of this poem? Machines are the speakers and the men are the listeners. What metals are obtained from ores and mines? Iron, gold, zinc, and copper. Who does the pronoun you refer to here? The pronoun you refers to the human being. Whose child is a machine? The machine is the child of the human brain. What is found beneath all uniforms? A single body is found beneath all uniforms. Mention the season referred here. The season mentioned here is winter. Who does there refer to? There refers to men from different countries. Who tells us to hate our brothers? Our leaders tells us to hate our brothers. Who are not foreign? Peoples of other countries are not foreign. What does it refer to? It refers to the mysterious house. To whom does I refer to? I refer to the poet. In what way the tree is a mystery? Usually trees has leaves, but this tree is without leaves in all the seasons. What is mystery about the house? There is no sign of the life inside the house.